Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to go through 23 simple ways to make a better chicken run and coop. And this presentation has been brought to you by the All About Chickens website. This is a video detailing an infographic and article I designed and wrote about 23 simple ways to make a better chicken run and coop. This video will just show you parts of my infographic and a summary of the article. The infographic is free to download and the article is very detailed, coming in at just over 9,000 words. A link to the infographic and article can be found underneath this video. First of all, let's go through some general principles. Number 1, check that you're allowed. Number 2, plan ahead when it comes to your designing your run and coop. Number 3, design if you want your chicken run to be portable or not. Number 4, think about making it beautiful. Number 5, design and build it so that everything is easy and quick. Number 6, security counts. Now let's move on to ways to make your chicken run better. Provide shade. Number 8, build it on level ground and make sure there's good drainage. Number 9, try and recycle and reuse. Number 10, think about the amount of space you need and the number of chickens you have. Number 11, use storage containers. Number 12, dust baths. 13, make sure you have multiple food and water bowls. Number 14, use strong fencing. Number 15, dig your fence underground. Now let's look at ways to make your chicken coop better. Think about size, it's important. Number 17, use nest boxes. 18, plenty of ventilation. 19, have perches. 20, think about insulation. 21, ensure there's lots of light. 22, elevate your coop. And 23, think about flooring. And that's it. A very quick look at my infographic and article on 23 simple ways to make a better chicken run and coop. Remember that you can download and print out the infographic for free. If you like my infographic and article, then please share it with your family and friends. The link to the article can be found beneath this video. Thank you for watching.